Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Angelica Mack and you're here with It's More Than Just Lashes. Welcome for the newbies and welcome back for the people that have been joining me. I'm so happy you're here with me. I hope you guys are feeling amazing like I'm feeling. I'm happy you're here. And today's video, we're just gonna get right into it. We're doing a unboxing of GALASH and we're gonna see what kind of goodies they brought in here. We're gonna see what kind of goodies they sent to me, not what goodies they brought in here. LASH is a super incredible brand. They have a variety of options on their website. They have everything from primer to bonder to glues, of course. And one of my favorite things is that they have pre-made glittered lashes. Yeah, I said it. They're already made for you. You don't have to make them yourself. Ah, what a dream. So we're gonna open up these boxes and not these boxes. We're gonna open up this box and we're gonna see what they got. Also, if you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I used to wear hats all the time and I kind of miss doing that. I really did miss it, but I'm just hiding my lash gaps. Like for some reason, I'm not gonna say for some reason, I know I did it on purpose, but yeah, I'm wearing a hat to hide the lashes. Oh, my fills don't ever seem to be at the right time when I'm picking, and so I end up looking crazy for a day or so. So you have to excuse me. Anyways, okay, time to open her up. Okay, let's see what we got, y'all. Let's see what we got. I love getting, you know, new goodies in the mail because I always say this, it's always good to diversify your products, try new products, see what's out there, see what other companies are doing. It's always great. You know, that is the beauty of this industry, is that you can try so many lash products. Oh my God, this already looks amazing. This already looks so cool so far. Okay, I love tape. Can you ever have too much tape? Like, I love this pink tape. It is like a micro pore tape and micro pore tape. And it's super soft, it's super gentle, it doesn't rip. You can definitely take back with this and it not pull out their lashes. This is one of my favorite tapes ever. Okay, we got some pink tape. Lash combs, like so cute. I love glitter lash combs. I recently was only in a glitter phase where I bought black glitter, blue, purple, and now I have pink. This is perfect. So cute. We're giving pink vibes so far. We're giving pink vibes and I'm here for it. Okay, let's see what else we got in this box. iPads. Okay, yes. And these are the iPads. Focus, there we go. These are the iPads. So cool, I have a nice pack of those. Maybe this slit is for the inner corner. I'm gonna assume it's for the inner corner. I don't know. Okay, we got some tweezers. So this is their 45-degree angled volume lash. I used to use lashes. I used to use volume tweezers just like this, like almost a year or two ago. I love the smaller boot. It really allows you to pick up a lot of lashes and it really helps you get into those really small spaces. This tweezer is beautiful. I love the grip. One of the cool things about this company is that their prices are super reasonable. This tweezer online right now is $7.90. Yes, I said it, $7.90. Like beautiful, look at that. Cute. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, let's see what else it's giving. Okay, we have 21 to 24 millimeter pack of lashes. What? I've never seen this before. 0.5 decro, 21 to 25 milliliters. Like, that is incredible. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that darkness. Beautiful. I love a decurl that is a true decurl, because sometimes they're not true decurl. They're like a CC, and you're like, what the heck? See, these are a true decurl. These are beautiful. And then I have another pack that is 15 to 20 millimeters. Once again, I've never seen this before. I've never seen a lash tray with 20 millimeters on it in a mixed tray. This is freaking awesome. I cannot wait to make some fans with these lashes. Like I said, I have a 15 to 20 millimeter and then a 21 to 24 millimeter. Beautiful lashes, true to curl. That's really important, true to curl. That is a true decurl, like that is gorgeous. So stay tuned for my upcoming video on making fans with that, because I'm super excited for that. Ooh, okay, we got some glue rings. I love, 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 love glue rings, because I'm married to the game, you know. I don't typically use them, but I'm always interested. I always want to try them out, but I didn't start using glue rings, but I do like to, you know, use them especially for practice making fans. So this is great. I'm married to the game, baby. I said yes. I said yes. So we got a whole bag of glue rings. And then let's see what else we got. Ooh, okay, we got some 0.5 second Aurora glue. And can we talk about this packaging? Can we talk about this packaging? I absolutely love iridescent everything, and this is so cute. I also have never seen a clear glue packaging, so I'm already obsessed. Look at this, Aurora 0.5 second. Beautiful. I can't wait to try this. Okay, so cute. Okay, so love the glue. Okay guys, like this glue, it's not only the 0.5 second and it's in cute little packaging, but this glue is $8 on their website. $8. $8.90 to be exact. So run over to their website. This is insane. I will let you know how this glue is when I make a volume video on this, so that you can see how this dries, what the retention is like, how it works well, or I'm sure it's gonna work well, I'm not even worried. How it's gonna work with applying the extension on the natural lash. I'm gonna give you all the tea on this cutie. I'm gonna give you all the tea on this cutie. Did that rhyme? No, I don't think so. Doesn't matter, still sounded good. Okay, let's see, what do we have left? Oh, the last thing we have is, yes, a cute little mannequin eye, little half head. This is great. I was running out of eyelids, and so I need this. This is great to practice with. It doesn't matter what level of experience you have. I've been doing lashes for over 6.5 years now, and I still practice and make fans. I just always want to see how big they can get, or how narrow they can get, how wispy the set can get. So this is always something that I need. You guys definitely want to get some of these to practice with, to make content with. Like, it's great, especially if, you know, you don't have models or you're not super busy right now. Use the eyelids. This is basically a person without the mouth and everything else, but this doesn't talk back to you. So definitely want to get that. This is such a great package. I'm super excited to test all these items, to show you guys how the glue works, to show you guys how to make fans with their lashes, especially their 24s. I love, 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 love making wide fans with super long lashes. So thank you, GALASH. I'm super excited to open this and try this out. And for all the people that have already been here, let me know what you think. If you've tried their products before, if you are curious about their products, I'm going to have them linked below. I'm going to have their website linked below as well. You can order from them and tell them I sent you, okay? Tell them I sent you. I'm so happy you guys are here with me. As always, I am super grateful for any amount of eyeballs that I get. I hope that I can help you in any way. Once again, as always, you have my Instagram. It's Your Lash Bestie with 2 E's. Send me a DM, whatever you need. Write in my comments. Literally, whatever you need and I can help you with, I'm your girl. I am your girl. Let's just have a good rest of our week. Let's have a good rest of our day. Let's continue to be lash bosses. Let's continue to be mentally strong, to be patient, to be kind, to be self-aware. Let's put the energy out there and let's have a good rest of our week. I will talk to you guys soon, and I can't wait to review these products. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful night or day or morning, whenever you're viewing me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you guys later. Toodles.